Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Roku application for your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. First, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Next, open your App Store. Into the search box at the top, type in Roku app and search. You will then find the Roku application in the search result. Simply open up this application and tap on the Get button to begin the download for the app. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, and you'll be able to use the Roku application for your iPhone. So that is how you can easily download and install the Roku app on your preferred devices. You can now use the Roku app as a remote control, which is handy if you've misplaced your physical remote. It also had additional features like search function and the ability to browse and discover any content. And you can now use the Roku application to cast or mirror contents from your mobile device to your TV. So that is how you can easily install the Roku app for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.